guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, got this tree in the way. So I wanted to hop in today and show you guys the January Sephora Play Bag. This month is January, of course. It says a beautiful 2018. Resolve to up your beauty game this year with these monthly challenges, and it has like each month you've got to do certain things. I won't be doing that. And of course on the other side it tells me what I got. So it says Happy New Year. Let's go ahead and grab something and pull it out. First thing we got is the Ulla Henderson Nurture Hydro Clay Detox Mask. It says it's a gentle clay mask that draws out impurities and replenishes moisture with 5 botanical oils. Its calming formula is perfect for sensitive skin. That's just what I need because your girl's sensitive and dry, but I want to be pure. So I'm excited to use that. It has chamomile flower extract, which is calming. So that's exciting. I have a moisturizer from this line that I haven't tried yet. I got it in gratis. But I'm excited to try this because, you know, your girl loves to mask. And that's a pretty decent size, so you can get a couple uses out of that. The next thing, we're going to reach in and grab something. What is this? Ooh! The Smashbox Primerizer! I love this stuff. You guys know that. I used to use it in like a whole bunch of my videos, but I've been worried that I was going to run out, so I haven't been using it as much. But I love this stuff. It's awesome, and I'm glad that I have like a little backup for when I run out until I can get some new one. It offers you 24-hour hydration, 127% instant moisture. Most people say it's really lightweight, flawless, and it lasts all day. It is like awesome. It's non-greasy. It's a moisturizer and primer in one. So it really, like, I love it to make my skin look amazing. Okay, the next thing that we've got is this Glam Glow Super Cleanse. It says it is a clearing cream to foam cleanser. Ultra creamy cleanser uses a blend of 3 charcoals to clear pores and remove excess oil and makeup. I don't know. It says you can't use it on your eyes, which kind of worries me. Because when I wash my face, I go over my eyes. It is gray, like their matte, like the Super Mud Mask, and it smells like that as well. So this kind of worries me a little bit, but you could get a couple uses out of this for sure. But still, like it scares me a little bit. I feel like it's gonna be too drying. The next thing that we have is the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. It's a hydrating and brightening under eye cream that's easy to pop in your bag for pick-me-ups throughout the day. It's supposed to help with tired eyes and be moisturizing and brightening. And it has peptides in it, of course. It smells fine, I guess. I mean, I don't know. It's kind of a small, but I mean, and I don't know. You guys can't tell, but like I can see it in the light, and it's only like half filled in there. But I mean, hey, we'll try it and see. You know, why not? Next is they stopped doing fragrance samples, which is annoying because I like fragrance samples. I'd rather have that than like a packet. But anyways, this is Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Mask for your hair. It's a rich, nourishing hair mask made with naturally derived ingredients that moisturizes and protects strands. I already have this. I don't need a sample of it. Sorry. This kind of like... And last but not least is the Lancome Cils Booster, C-I-L-S Booster XL Super Enhancing Mascara Base. I'm excited to try this because I've never used a mascara base before. I have some. I just never remember to use them, you know. But yeah, pretty exciting. It's just going to be a white base. It says it's a creamy conditioning primer that preps lashes for smooth application and a boost of drama. So that's pretty good. I mean, this month, I don't think like this was a very good month. I mean, I'm excited for this, but that's about it. Like, I mean, and the primerizer. I really like this primerizer. Over $10, like, what? Glam Glow Mask, not sure I'm going to use because it concerns me that it's going to be too dry. The Clinique Pep Start, I mean, I'll use it eventually when my eyes run out, but I really like the eye cream that I use now, so I can't see myself like wanting that. And the only makeup that it came with, which I mean it's Sephora, it needs to come with more makeup, is this mascara primer and then the hair product instead of the fragrance. Like, what? Get it together, Sephora. Bring us back our fragrances. Anyways, that's this month's box. Let me know down below what you've got, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out because when I hit 500, Landon is going to pick my makeup for me to do on camera. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!